Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco, year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 57 says, Cultism is an anti-social activity that promotes dash in the society. When we talk of anti-social, means it is a social vice. That is, it violates the social norms of the society. So, and as we all know, cultism is an association of people whose agenda is clandestine. So, A, deviant behavior; B, established norms; C, peaceful coexistence; C, social vices; E, unity and progress. So, from the definition, as we can say, it is a social vice. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.